back with more. In part 2 of our data analysis series, we'll focus on an essential aspect, data cleaning. Specifically, we'll learn how to handle missing data using Python's Pandas library and Google Colab. Ensuring your data is clean is crucial for accurate analysis. Let's dive in. So if you haven't done so, open Google Colab and create a new notebook. If you haven't already, make sure you're familiar with the basics of Google Colab from our previous video. So on your first code cell here, import the necessary libraries, which is import pandas as pd. We're importing pandas for data manipulation and NumPy for numerical operations, as they often complement each other in data analysis tasks. Let's create a sample dataset that includes missing values to practice our data cleaning techniques. So let's run this first. Just a second. So now we have a tick here, which is no issues. So here we're creating a sample data frame with missing values. So data, then we have name, here. Should delete these. So here we've created a data frame with some missing values, the np.num, and the age and city columns to simulate real world data scenarios. So if we run it, we have here missing values. So okay. So here now we'll attack this issue or solve this issue by first, let's identify where the missing values are in our data set. So we use the 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 isNull function returns a data frame of the same shape, so the same shape as df, with true indicating the presence of a missing value and false otherwise. So here if you can see false, false, and we have true here, which is in the age we have true, and here as well true. If you look here, so this is correct. We also, to get a summary of missing values in each column, so we do this code. This code provides a count of missing values per column, helping us understand the extent of missing data in our data set. So this shows us we have 2 here and 1 in the city. So now let's explore 2 common strategies for handling missing data: removing and inputting. We'll start first with the removing. So if you add here another code, to remove rows from any missing values, we could use this. Dropping rows with any missing values, and we also use call out. So we came with Alice and David, New York and Chicago. So here the explanation of this: the dropNow function removes any rows that contain at least one missing value. While this is a straightforward, it can lead to significant data loss if many rows have missing values. So we go to strategy B, inputting missing data. Alternatively, we can fill in missing values with appropriate substitutes. So filling with a specific value, we could do, so filling missing values with a specific value. So we write here we're filling missing age values with 25 and missing city values with unknown. This method is useful when you have a logical default value. So as you can see here, we have unknown and 25 as well. Filling with mean, median for numerical data. So let's try this out. So filling missing age with the mean age. So we can type mean age So calculating the mean age and using filna function to replace missing age values with this mean ensures that we maintain the overall distribution of the data. Okay, so let's do this. Yeah, this is fine, all good, and we have this as well. So it's in place. So now we are verifying data after cleaning. After handling missing data, it's good practice to verify that all missing values have been addressed. So let's check if this has been. Okay. So here verifying no missing values remain. So here we have one in the city, which is here. Okay. Okay. Let's check this out. Yeah. Changes to unknown, but if we run it here. Okay. So here we did this is like the final check to confirm our dataset is no longer containing missing values, ensuring it's ready for further analysis. So I'll check this, or I'll leave this as a task for you to figure out and leave me a comment. So where did we go wrong in this code? So I'm waiting for your comments to tell me where did I go wrong in this code to check if you could understand. So that's it for part 2 of our data analysis series. We've covered how to identify and handle missing data using Pandas and Google Colab. Proper data cleaning is a vital step to any data analysis project. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to take with more, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. And do let me know what went wrong. I'll also leave a comment if it's the same solution you have found as well. Thank you.